So, last time we found a simple example for the USB, and I said I would go over it off stream because it would be very boring and I don't have anything better to do. But there are a couple of problems. So you see, I'm using the, what's it called, Atmega8u2. Now, if we were to look at the example, what teensy, alright. Excuse me. Ah, ow. See the firmware. Let's see. Where was it? Ah, yes. Vim makefile. The device is the AT91 USB 8.2, but it is flashing to the the Atmega8u2. So, what we need to do is figure out if there are any differences. So we're gonna go here, we're gonna go in a new tab, we're gonna search for this, and read blah blah blah, yeah, okay, cool. Do not care. Maybe this one. Yes, I am in Germany. Datasheet, hey, let's go. There is literally no information. What the fuck? Overview. Register summary. Do we have like ED? Okay, the USB seems to be the same. As far as I can remember. Endpoint enable. Allocate. Wait. Endpoint size and number. Okay, yeah, that's seems okay. So this probably has the same USB the same USB hardware, which would make sense why this thing is just saying the device is a AT90 USB. Okay. So, TNC USB serial. Huh. Let's go through here, maybe we see some important things. Yeah, I'm not gonna even bother trying to see through this one. This one includes TNC USB serial .h. So USB in is coming from this one. USB serial .h, please. And we have a lot of stuff. Initialize everything. And this is what we need. Is it configured? Nobody knows. Let's do a vsplit with the USB.c and search for USB configured USB configuration. Okay, what is this? USB configuration. Static volatile. And it's set to 0 in the init. CDC line rest. I don't know. What's that? CDC line RTS DTR and enable interrupts. So it's getting it set to 0. I don't know why. UDCon. Enable the attach resistor. It's not checking. Okay, this is for the interrupts. Okay, first we freeze everything. Then we configure the PLL. Let's actually do a whoopsie. Wait. Oh, I'm so stupid. Punkt split. This one. Let's see. Where do we... Okay, we do not freeze it deliberately, but it should be frozen after reset. USB PLL config. Let's see what we have here. PLL config. And we just looked up which one we have, and I already forgot, but it is the... This isn't helping. One of these two. A2, At90 USB A2 and 162. Are the differences. 162 and H2. 162, same thing here, same thing, same thing. Okay, so what we are doing is we have the... Oh, we have hardware config. But it doesn't do anything for these two. Probably important. PLL-CSR. Is getting set. Let's see. First we set it to PLLE, yes, and why do we have 4? No, 4 is right. And PLLP0 are getting set, which in our case would be PLL. I'll register description PLL CSR. Jesus. Gonna drink a bit. Almost choked while talking. What? Okay. So there is no whatever PLL P0 is. What is it? Tell me. Register summary PLL CSR PLL P0. So we have PLL enable and PLL P0, PLL enable and pin div. So P in divider, which is set to 1. So far so good. Okay. Don't need this. So far we are doing the same thing, except we actually enable the PLL because we do this separately instead of in one step. I guess they don't have to do that, hopefully. I don't know, or maybe the GCC, the compiler, handles that. And then we wait for plock to basically unlock, yes. And then we use USB config, which would be in this line. This one would be USB config, and this would just USB con enable, which we do right now. Oh yes, they do. They unfreeze it at the same time. Okay, yes. Then we enable the attach resistor, which is udcon equals 0. udcon equals 0. You know what? Maybe it does have to be here. Maybe, I don't know. Let's... Yep, I should probably do that. Coding, Atmega. Keyboard, software. Connect up the keyboard. By the way, tomorrow I'm getting a camera. Or more a tripod for my phone, so you can actually see what I'm doing here. Okay, it's connected up, so sudo change modifier 777 def tty amc0 super secret password. Now we should be able to make send. Seems to have worked. And now I'm gonna check if we have a 3.3 volt pull-up attached to the what's it called? Kind of forgot. The yes, the right, the D plus pin of the USB bus. So first connect reference ground, and then let's see. But not looking very good so far. What can we do about this? Probably just look further. Maybe we will find something. Okay, this is enabled. So far everything is fine. Then it's enabling the interrupts, which UDIEN would be not here. Somewhere the USB controller. Or this one, I guess. UDIEN, interrupt enable, the SOFE and the ERSTE. This one, start of frame interrupt, end of reset interrupt. You know what? I'm just gonna copy paste what they do. Why wouldn't I? So enable interrupts. LDI R16 0x, what do we need? This would be an 8 plus 4, so A, B, C. This would be in AC, wouldn't it? Yes, AC. So 0C. And then now we just don't need to comment here. STS, SFR, mem, address. What was it? UDIEN. UDIEN R16 enable soft what? Start of frame and end of reset. Start of frame plus end of reset interrupt. Yeah, this should work. And then maybe we do the SEE. Oh. What was it? Oh no. This one. Almost fucked this one up. Just write it. And then just CD, speed boost, coding, HTML, keyboard, software, make, send. So now we have enabled interrupts. Let's check again. Oh, we got a viewer. Hi, Yusmlev. How's it going? We still do not have a waveform. Alright, pull up. Okay, this doesn't... the name of the editor? You mean... this one? It's just Vim. But I installed the Maokai theme or something. I don't remember the name. Something similar to that. Yeah, I heard it would be faster if you learn it, and so I'm currently learning it. Not very good at it though. Yeah. Where were we? Alright. No idea what's going on. So we enabled the interrupts because this software does it and it didn't change anything. So sucks to suck, I guess. Let's see, what does the main say? It's waiting until USB is configured. What does that mean? Oh, thanks for the follow, by the way. Very much appreciated. So let's go back to the... I forgot the name. Was it just TNC USB serial? USB serial. Is... Okay, never mind, I forgot the name, goddammit. I should probably just split main C, just open it here. USB configured, okay. Slash USB configured. This one. USB what? Okay. Return 0 if USB is not configured or the configuration number selected by the host. So it's getting set to 0 here. I'm guessing we need some interrupt for it to actually set it to 1 or something. So I'm just gonna search for USB configuration. That should be enough. Problem, this isn't it. Equals 0, no. Oh, equals something. Now we... Which function is this? Interrupt USB generated interrupt vector. Okay, so it's an interrupt, yes. What does it do? The int bits, ud int. Okay. It checks for the type of interrupt, I guess. Can we just like move this in? Thank you. Wait, and move this out. I don't care. Yeah. Towards is it setting it? It's setting it to 0. If it's a reset. But if it is the start of frame interrupt, if USB configuration, well, it's 0. Wait, where? I might be stupid next. Oh, wait, no, this isn't it. This is it, but it's equals 0. This is something different. What is this? Oh, this is a very... Another interrupt vector. USB endpoint interrupt. Endpoint 0 is handled here. The other endpoints are manipulated by the user callable functions. And the start of frame interrupt. Okay, so this probably handles the reset interrupt, if I'm not mistaken. Let's just search for ISR. Generated and communications. Okay. So we have... What does it do? It does a bunch of weird shit here. Then UE num. It sets the endpoint selector to 0, so it's selecting endpoint 0. Then we... Okay, int bits u... this is the actual interrupt. It's checking for the interrupt type. Add request... No, request type, request value. It's just loading everything of UE that data x into the variables. Let's see what it is. UE num, UERST, UE that x. Yes, this is it. USB endpoint register. Data wait, okay. USB data endpoint register is a read-write register used for data transfer between the register file and USB device controller. Writing this register pushes a data byte into the current bank of the... so it's reading the register, pops extracts 1 data byte from the current bank of the selected endpoint. So this is basically the register with which we can read the data. Yeah. So it's whoa. This was the wrong button. This is the right. No, next one, this one. So there's a lot going on here. So it's basically just deciphering what this stuff is and then setting the USB configuration accordingly. Yes, okay. I get it. This isn't really helping now, is it? Because why are you able to enable my pull-up, but I'm not? What is wrong with my code? The answer is there is nothing wrong. I am a genius. Always have been. What's going on? Someone explain? Okay, let's see what does main do after it's configured. Waits until it gets control. Waits until it's available. Or not available, I guess. Then it gets the char, it put char, sends a char. So basically it's just serial stuff at this point. The complicated part was setting it up. Yes. Not helpful. Not helpful at all. I'm a little bit lost. Because why are you doing weird stuff? Enable USB, unfreeze USB controller, yes. So far so sensible. Attach the device. Why are you not doing that? I guess there is a step before that. Wait a second. Am I enabling the USB? Okay, this would be very stupid now. USB enable. Okay, yeah, this has to be 8.0. I have no idea why would I set... Oh, the interrupt. Yeah, I don't need EU anymore. So... enabling is difficult. And nobody knows why it's not working. Oh, I'm having fun. This is a fun thing to do. The temptation to just play video games is so big. I'm resisting it. Not for long though. Oh my god. Let's see. Why am I so loud again? annoying. Why is it making itself louder? Don't know how to stop this. Guess there is still something wrong with my enabling of the USB. Huh. Jump calibrating. What happens if I check? If I don't care about this, I just care about this. And what happens if I was to do this and just set it all at once? Oh wait, first I have to... Oh yes, this one. Speed boost, coding, Atmega, keyboard, software, make, send. Now I should theoretically get the waveform and be able to see it. Let's see. I am, so that part is working. Me likey. Now if I were to comment out these two, just for fun. These were the wrong ones. These two. Now I write this. Can I make send? Jesus Christ, send. Oh my god. Nobody saw that. Now, send it, and let's see if I can see the waveform. I can. So why would I do this that way? I thought there was something in here about chilling with the bits. Let's see. When PLL is set, the PLL is started. Note that the calibrated is automatically enabled. PLL must be disabled before entering power down mode in order to stop until... Yes, okay, cool story. Bro. Where does it say to set this before? Did I just not... Did I just ignore? Did I just make that up? What is happening, dude? Okay. Chill. What is this? Okay, I probably made that one up with the before enabling it, because it seems to... Wait, which bit am I checking? Oh, this was the wrong one. Oh, the PLL, CSR. P-lock, I'm setting. When P-lock bit is set, the PLL is locked to the reference clock. After it's enabled, it takes about several milliseconds for the PLL to lock. To clear that, clear PLL E. So, what am I doing? Oh, right. This one is only. This is read only. Is this one? It doesn't say here, does it? Yeah, it doesn't. Okay, this is probably an error. Because, like, I have to set this. I think we tested this also. So let's just. I know. We're gonna. P in divider. Oh. Now, if that bit is set, which we are trying to do, we're gonna skip the loop. So we're gonna write. We're gonna speed boost coding Atmega keyboard. I really should make a shortcut to this. Software make whoa. Constant value required. There is an error there. This is interesting. P-I-N-D-I-V. P-I-N-D-I-V is non-existent. Now this is a job for the world's greatest detective. Why? Okay, next one. I'm gonna where was my where was my library? Was it in not there / user lib no I don't see AVR, to be honest. Was it in user local lib? No. Was it in .loc .local share? Didn't really forget where this is, did I? Oh my god. Bin. No, bin wouldn't be the right one, would it? Let's see, where could it be? In user. In user AVR, okay. You know, sometimes maybe include. No. Should be a thing, wouldn't it? Not really, no. Guess not really. Isn't there something like this here? I don't. Why am I not including this? Oh wait, I am. Haha. I'm just stupid. Okay, not here. Lib. Oh, AVR. Lib. IO. Oh my, no. Why? Why would anyone do that? Jesus. I don't know. AVR 31 maybe? Yeah, this is, I'm in the wrong place. We're gonna look in include standard IO, string.h, standard lib, AVR. No. Yes. Okay, we need to find the right one. IOM8u2.h. Yes, this one. Not list this. Come on. Gonna vim this. Let's go. Now we're gonna search for PNIDEV. Not a thing. We're gonna search for what was its name? PLCSR. PLCSR. Oh, interesting. PLLP0. This is like not at all documented. This is terrible documentation. Are there any updated versions of this maybe? Because this is garbage. Like packaging information already. Where are register? PLL. Where the fuck is PLL? CSR. PLL CSR. What the fuck? Pindiv. Dude, this is just... This entire thing is just wrong. This is not read-only. This is not the name. It is even the thing I'm supposed to be setting. Probably, but... Wait, is it? I don't even know anymore. We're gonna just quit this. Would it be? No, here. No, here. PLLCSR sets PLLP 0, which should be this. Which? Where are you? Come to daddy. Come to mommy. I'm in the wrong page, aren't I? Huh. Yes, I am. I am stupid. Come to mama. There, P0. Yes, okay. So, this doesn't make any sense, but okay, I guess. Should probably restart the music. Let's go, dude. Okay, I'm gonna look for some updates on this because Jesus. Is this something I can... No? Okay. Document library. Yes, this sounds about right. Search by products. Yes. Atmega8u2. Atmega8u2 bootloader datasheet. Very summary and very complete one. Just open everything. Big brain move. Ah, this is the summary datasheet. Yes, okay, yeah, okay, makes sense. Now, this is the complete one, I'm guessing, which is the same we have here. Disappointing. But I have a pretty funny idea, maybe. What was the name of this chip? Let's see if we can find the complete one. December 2016. What was... Oh, god damn it. Search by product. Atmega8u2. 11th of this is all the same. Okay. This is cringe. This should be the other one. Let's see. First PLL. PLL is generate, okay, yes. Okay, this is a different schematic. I like it so far. So we can set this to 1. Yes. So far so good. Lock detector and enable. But it's also read only. Is this also an error? You know what? I'm gonna look if this is an error. What was it called? PLP0. PLLP0. Escape. Oh no. Okay, now we write this. Speed boost, coding, Atmel. I need some water. Because my voice is dying. Atmel, keyboard, software, make, send. Now if we have a waveform, this bit should be set to 1. And we do have 1. Okay, so this isn't read only. This is just... Okay. Okay. Understood. Now let's go to the USB. Maybe we have some differences here, which they just seem to be copied over. But hey, USB controller states after reset. USB enable device. USB enable off, not device. Clock stopped. Equals 1. Cool story, bro. Interrupts, power modes. Yes. Memory management. The susp flagged indicated that a suspend state has been detected on the USB bus. The flag automatically puts the USB pad in idle. The detection of a non-idle event It's a wake up flag and wakes up the USB pad. Cool. Register description. Do we have like a flow on how to enable this? I guess not. USB saw. Oh, configure PLL. We did enable it. Yes. Check the log. We are currently not doing, but we can. We don't need this. Where is the PLL? plog is the name, and locking is the game. plog. Okay, we're checking for that. Then we need to enable the interface, configure the endpoint 0, and then attach it. So to enable it, we have USB general registers, USB con, USB enable, and freeze clock. We need to set this to 8.0 in order for it to, how do you say, work? Yes, to unfreeze it. Then we have this, which is this directly reads to the dual port RAM. Software output enable. Not important. Endpoint activation. This is the same exact workflow. Literally no difference. If I was to go here, open this, go to endpoint activation, only difference is this header file is cringe. UECFG0X. Yeah. Okay, yes, I see. Thing is, we're not even getting the pad to work. Setting detach will disconnect the pull-up. Clearing will connect the pull-up. Yes, makes sense so far. What is going on? Hmm. Hmm. Huh. 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 You know what? I have a genius idea because I am a genius. And for that, what we are going to do is we're gonna quit this. We're gonna quit this. We're gonna quit this. We're gonna quit this. We're gonna. Mm, we're gonna do this. And we're gonna do this. Now we should initialize the USB. Wait until it's configured. And then see if we have a pull-up. Because I am running out of options. Make. AVR dude. Cool story, bro. We need to go to object main.hex and flash that shit. Thank you. So, I'm gonna look for the pull-up. And ta-da, there is it. There it is. But that of course means that there is an interrupt, which we do not have. Where does this interrupt come from? Where does it go? Where did it come from? Cotton Eye Joe. Okay, this was a bad joke. Yes. Something USB serial dot C or something. I don't know. Slash ISR Gen Vector. Lame. Next one, please. This one. USB endpoint interrupt. The other endpoints are manipulated by the user callable functions. What kind of fucking interrupt is this supposed to be? There is none. What? Okay, where do we look for interrupts here? Maybe this one. Who knows? Upstream resume, end of resume, wake up, end of reset, start of frame, error of frame number. Okay, so we kind of just enabled this and this, if I'm not mistaken. You got no business being an interrupt. UGIE and this one. This and this we set. Set enable this bit. Sophie and ERST. Which else could it be? So, problem ignored. Let's just see what this does. Because interrupts are the only things that can get activated. Like realistically, I don't remember any functions. Is that right? Yes, it is. I'm always right. So this just loads in all the stuff, goes through, stall. If number descending list, description list, I don't know. Description value lists plus 2, list plus 2. Where are we starting to set registers? UE con X. So we're enabling it to stall. So what do you think happens if I were to hypothetically just comment all of this out? Make send. Do we have a pull-up? I am so very disappointed because we in fact do have a pull-up. What the fuck? Vim main.c, let's see. We compile this shit here. Just USB in it. So tnz USB serial.c slash sb init hardware config. This would be tnz usb.h slash h tab config. And since we set this, I think nothing happens. Literally nothing. USB freeze. Yeah. Okay, we don't set the freeze bit. I guess we could do that just for fun, which I'm gonna do. What do we need to set it to? USB enable. Wait, we are enabling it already? That seems weird. Maybe this is the way to go. Enabling it before the PLL. I mean, okay. A0. Able and freeze USB. Oh, and probably this one should be what's it called? USB con. That's right. Oh, never mind. Not in the right. I'm just gonna open it here. Speed boost, coding, Atmel, keyboard, software. Make, send. Okay. Let's see. Right. Let's see what. Oh, let's see if we have anything. We have a waveform, but I probably didn't set this one right, did I now? Yes, we need to change this one to wait. Oops. Make, send. Let's see. Wait, we have a waveform. Wait, what? Something's wrong. I can feel it. We have a pull-up. I'm going to kill someone. We have a pull-up. Jesus, what? That's the issue. We have to enable it before everything, before the PLL. We have to freeze it. Why does no one say that? What? Okay, yeah, I'm gonna probably make a video about this. This seems like important information if you want to if you want to use this. This is waiting for. Why? Okay, now let's see if we can comment out some stuff. Okay, we do not need this. This maybe. This is not the same. This way. Okay. Now we enable and freeze the USB. We enable the PLL. We enable and unfreeze the controller. We attach the device. We select endpoint 0. Maybe we should do this afterwards. Don't you think? Yeah. After everything worked out, we are going to attach the device. Or before that. Let's just follow this thing again, just with the one thing on top. This one. Yeah, select endpoint, activate endpoint, configure, test. And afterwards, we're gonna attach the device. Now we enable endpoint 0. We comment this out, maybe we don't need it. What is this safety step? Safety steps are going to get commented out. Allocate some stuff to it. Yes, select endpoint 1, enable it, maybe set it to 0. Just to be safe here, let's just follow this and set it to 0. Because everyone's doing it, so maybe. Set bulk out endpoint, allocate stuff. Seems to be fine. This has a pull-up, I hope. It does. And it also has a waveform. This is great. We finally have a breakthrough. So, yes. So the problem was the reason why I wasn't able to get the... Right, hold on, no, this isn't it. Let's go back to Vim USB driver S. Okay, party people. The reason why I wasn't able to activate the endpoints on the Atmega8u2 was because I followed this thing here and just enabled this after, like, basically, wait, where is it? Not here. Yes, after this. So I followed operating modes, power on the USB interface, configure the PLL interface, enable the PLL, check the PLL lock, enable USB interface. After this, configure the USB interface and attach the USB interface. And this is wrong. There is a step missing before you configure the PLL. Before you configure the PLL interface, you need to, where is it? Enable but freeze the USB. So what you need to do is this USB control register. You need to set this to A, so this bit is 1, so it's enabled, and freeze lock is on. So, or freeze clock, yeah, freeze USB clock bit, I guess. So that the clock is frozen and it doesn't do anything, but it is enabled. That way, when you enable the PLL, for some reason, it actually works and you get the, where is it? This okay. This, where do I have it here? Somewhere in the registers, I guess. USB, this one. So there is this config OK flag, which gets set when everything is correctly set up and the endpoints. Yeah, this flag bit is set by hardware when the selected endpoint size parameter and number of banks are correct compared to max capacity. Not important. You need this thing to be set because this thing tells you true, I guess. Yeah, this is just a test for the correct endpoint configuration. So if you follow this works. No complaints here. A lot of people, for some reason, set this to 0 before. So after this step, enabling the endpoint, they set this register to 0. I just do it too because everyone else is doing it. And I'm not that cool yet. So you might want to do that. I don't know. Maybe test it. Maybe I will test that. The important thing is, if you want this to be actually set, you need to enable but freeze the USB control register, specifically USB CON to A0, because otherwise, before you enable the PLL, yes, because otherwise, I don't know, I spent like 2 weeks on this, didn't figure it out, just tried this and now it works. So good luck out there. Yes, finally we can do something else. For example, get some water. I'll be right back. And I'm gonna put on some music again, which for some reason turned off. BRB. Hey. By the way, pretty good music actually. It's also yeah, royalty free, so I can use it to stream. Yeah, now that we have figured this out, we can try to connect it and actually get an interrupt triggered. Like from USB stuff, you know? Actual communication. But looking at the time, this seems like all the time we have got. Because I need to sleep. Yeah. But hey, was fun. We had fun. Let's see, who am I gonna send you to? My one very dedicated follower. Probably let's stay in the same category. Some good people here. Dressing up cats. Live coding, co-work, code 4 hours. No idea what that is. Stuff, playing, waiting. All of my usual channels aren't online right now. But well, today there are a lot of people streaming. Actually. Maybe we have someone in the art category for pixel art. Is that a category? Yes, it is. Let's see. Do we have people here? We have a lot of people here. Oh boy. This was the wrong button. I wanted to do this. Nice picture, dude. Nice. Yeah, this is a very up-to-date thing. Do we have some art that is not cringe? I would like some pixel art. And not more battle bunnies. What? People. Why are you doing this? Party hardy, I guess. Not a lot of people do pixel art. But it looks so cool. Like 8-bit pixel art. You know, that's the retro game vibe. I really need some more of that. I mean, it is pretty difficult to do well. Like normal just bodies you can draw. But like pixel art is like a whole nother world. Is there really no one? Come on. Come on, we need you guys to learn some about pixel art. Why is everyone drawing anime? It's so boring. Okay, fuck it, let's go back to the let's go back to the nerds. This is where you're supposed to be. Oh no, Java. What a cancerous language. Game dev, pixel art and chill, yes. Yeah. Art Fourth Alicia or something. This is where I'm gonna send you guys to. So.
No, besides it's gonna be covered by everything. Alright, so
Okay. So
and, like,
we finally figured
seems
this
like,
one out,
like, there's so much
and
heat
I'm gonna
and it's,
say
like, the sun
bye
just falls
bye.
on my window, like,
Later, nerds.
and towards the end of the day, it's like burns. I hate it.